Let's take a look at the updates coming in Saif Ali Khan's case. The questioning of the accused Shariful Islam Shehzad by Bandra police will be done on three important aspects. We have one of the questionnaires also accessed by India Today. Was any other prior offence committed by him in Mumbai or any other areas like cases of theft, dacoity, assault or robbery? Was there any accomplice who helped Shariful Islam in planning the execution and conspiracy for the robbery and, if required, even attack Saif Ali Khan? Who all were the people who Shariful was in touch with in Mumbai? Their statements will also be recorded. Now, we are told that the actor's statement is yet to be recorded. It will be done soon by the police. And the police say that they have arrested this man, who's currently will be at the Bandra police station for further interrogation as well. And whether it was just a lone wolf attack, whether there was an accomplice as well with him. But has police managed to crack the case? It does appear from what the Mumbai police has been saying. But remember, what a nightmare for Saif Ali Khan to have the security usually around when you're in the public, but to have an armed intruder inside the house. And at 2 a.m., close to your children, to confront and then step up, take the injuries. Many are hailing him as a real-life hero as well for his family. But it raises a big issue. How possibly the confidence and the audacity of these criminals to enter into even celebrity houses? What happens then to the common Mumbaikar and anywhere across the state? Cops have said they will ensure, they want to find out if any other offence was committed by him. When did he arrive in India? He's being seen as not an Indian national. And when did he reside? Who did he speak to? Their statements will also be recorded. Anyone who was in touch with. Mustafa Sheikh joining me for the latest on that this morning. Mustafa, good morning. What is the latest? How will the accused be questioned by the police? What lines will they be taking on? And what are police saying about the modus operandi? What happened? Why are this accused?
Pooja, as of now, the accused has been kept at a lockup since in few hours. He'll be taken out, and again the investigation and interrogation with him will start. Remember, the identification of both the victims, be it the housemaid Lima and Saif Ali Khan, will be done at a later stage so that the accused is identified. As of now, the police says that he has confessed to his crime, as said earlier that he is an illegal immigrant from Bangladesh. He was made to work at a restaurant through a manpower agency, but there also he committed some theft at the restaurant in Worli, and after that he was removed from that job. So he was running out of money. He said that he has told police that he was looking at scanning at the houses in Khar and Bandra area where he thought the well-to-do people lived. And he said to have zeroed in on the house of Saif Ali Khan, which he, as of now, has told police that he was not aware that this house belongs to some actor. So, as of now, the police is investigation with him till Friday. They have his police custody. It took a long effort for the police to, narrow down on him about scanning of 500 CCTV footages. Because he was changing his look, they had to zero down on the shoes he was wearing to identify him. And then finally he was tracked in Thane. Back to you.
Well, I have to say that the Mumbai police are saying that they have nabbed this main accused, and this, remember, however, raises a question. And they'll do more investigation, remember, at this point about what exactly happened. It's been 4 days since that brutal stabbing attack at actor Saif Ali Khan. He's likely to be discharged from the hospital today. Saif's sister Soha has meanwhile given an update on his health. She stated he's recovering well. She feels very blessed and grateful that it did not get any worse. According to the investigation by Mumbai police, actor Shariful Islam slept at the bus stand in Bandra till about 7 a.m. after the crime. Police reveals that Shariful is a Bangladeshi national entered into India illegally, and the attacker had been staying in India under fake names as well. One of the identities was of Vijay Das as well in Thane district.
2025 को रात में 2 बजे बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन की हद्दी में अभिनेता श्री सैफ अली खान इनके घर पर जबरी चोरी के उद्देश्य से उन पर हमला हुआ था। उस कारण से बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन में गुना दाखिल किया गया है और एक आरोपी को उसमें अरेस्ट किया गया है। आरोपी का नाम मोहम्मद शरीफुल इस्लाम शहजाद है।
Let's go across live. Joining me right now in this telecast on the first up, Bhavna Sharma from Lilavati Hospital. Bhavna, good morning. Tell me, what is the latest that you have from the hospital? What time are we expecting for him to be coming out? And any statement yet from the family? Bhavna, go ahead.
Good morning, Pooja. Yes, the last that we heard from the hospital is that Saif is likely to be discharged by evening today or by tomorrow morning. We don't have a clarity as of now if whether it will be today, this evening or tomorrow, but we are yet to hear from the hospital on that. But at the moment, Soha Ali Khan has also confirmed that Saif is doing well, he's recuperating well, and most likely it is this evening that he should be discharged from the Lilavati hospital where he was admitted on January 16th. From what we know, of course, the family is going in and out from the hospital. The only close friends and family have been coming at the hospital and meeting Saif at the moment because of all the restrictions on visitation that was imposed a few days back as told at the press briefing by the hospital. We are expecting a briefing this afternoon as well, but yet to hear from the hospital clearly on that behalf.
All right, Bhavna Agarwal will be tracking all the latest on that. Bhavna, what a past 4 days have been absolute nightmare, and our colleagues on the ground have also been telling us not just the health status, but eventually what exactly happened, who committed the crime, and with this arrest, will we have answers coming in as well? Thank you very much.